Good morning, everyone. So, this is how I've been taking attendance. We'll just connect our net and go to Google Chrome. There, since I'm already signed in, so I'll just go to my Gmail. Okay. Then I'll just go to my drive. So, in my drive, I've already created a folder called attendance sheets. So, I'll double click. Then here I've created different folders class wise for taking attendance. So I'll just create one more to show you. New right click, new folder, and this is the one that I'm creating for class 7. So 7A, create. Okay. So this folder has been created. Now I'll just open the folder, double click. Again I will inside the folder I will again do a right click. Then right click I will do more forms, more, then Google Forms. So this Google form opens. Now this is the first question. I'll just delete it. Okay, and here now I'll go to this option called import questions. Then I'll go to import questions. Now I've already created some forms for attendance, so I'll just import any one form that I've created. Okay, so let me just import question from 6A attendance. So from here I've selected and select, and here I will do select all, so all questions will be selected. Now import questions. So as you can see, all the questions have been imported. The questions are roll number, name, give attendance. Now here I had created it yesterday for 21/4. I'll just change the date. I'll just click on this, okay, and I'll change the date. I want it for tomorrow, so it's 23rd that I'm giving. Here also, are you able to view the lecture so on the portal? So in this way we can simultaneously keep a track of who is not able to view the lecture. So this also I have done. Now I'll just give a name to my form. So this is class 7A attendance for 23rd 4 2020. Okay, now I'll just click over here, so the name comes over here also, and then I will go to responses. I'll go to these three dots, then select response destination. I'll go to select response destination and I will create a spreadsheet. Now I can change the name of the spreadsheet over here. Okay, so better I save it of a name that is convenient, like date wise 23/4 7A attendance. I've created the name and then just create. Okay, then I will go to settings, general settings. I will just do it limit to one response, so that only student can respond one time. Okay, then I will just save it and it is done. Now I will just send it. So send. Now I'll go to this link option and I will shorten the URL by clicking here, then copy. Okay, now I'll go to my inbox. Here I'll go to compose and I will go to Deepshika. I'll just attach it to myself. I'll write link for 7A, just a name. Okay, and I'll just attach this, Control V, and I'll send it to myself. Okay, so tomorrow when I'll have to take attendance, I will just copy this. I'll just give this link to the students in their WhatsApp group so that they can view the form. So see, I'll just show you how the form will look. The form will look something like this. Okay, and see, they'll be able to just give their name for roll number and attendance, and I'll just show you how an attendance sheet looks. So let me just show you class 9B. This I had taken yesterday. So after filling, it will look something like this. I'm sorry, my net connection is a little slow. So see, then it looks something like this. Now since they will always have a time when they entered, and after say my period is over, what I can do is I'll just go to this, and this accepting responses I can just undo, so that after my period they cannot give attendance anymore. So right now I'm accepting responses. So after my period I'll just do that so that they cannot give attendance anymore. Now this data will be in random order. First here I've sorted it, but they will always give in random order 12, 14, 19. So what we'll do is we'll just select this, okay, and we will go to data and we'll go to sort range, and then we'll sort it roll number wise. My roll number is in column B, so column B and sort. Okay, so see, this has come in a sorted order. 1, 4, 5. See, this has come in a sorted order, and here I am just keeping a track of who was absent. See, 1, then 2, 3 is missing, so I am writing 2 and 3, but you must be thinking why 2 is not there, because this is a case of twin sisters, Grima and Agrata. Okay, thank you so much.